On this video, I'm gonna show you the resources that you can find as a piano player or as a piano learner. Actually, it's basically the same thing, right? They say that I like to see myself as a learner. So whether I play or whatever that I do, whether I mix, I produce, I'm still a learner at the end of the day. So you never stop learning. And I wanna show you these nice features that we have created just for you. If you are someone who's playing piano, learning how to advance a piano, we've created this just for you. But more than anything, we made this in mind. We were thinking about a beginner, someone who's starting to learn piano for the first time. So hence most of the stuff here we've broken them down, especially for the song tutorials for the beginner piano players. So on this video, without wasting time, I want to show you the resources, and this is something that you won't find it on most of the platforms, and that's where we actually saw the gap. So hence we created this resources, and they are very interactive. For instance, here under resources, let me just click here. So what you want to do, first thing first, you want to go to seppopianolessons.co.za. that's the name of our website. We've created this website just for you to make sure that you do not only learn from our videos, but also you have content that you can follow through, the content that is also interactive, right? So I'm going to show you one of the interactive guide that we have on the platform. For instance, what we have done, we have created the interactive guide for all the 12 keys to make sure that we cover everyone. We always encourage that you learn piano in all 12 keys, but there are some that they're still comfortable with playing. Maybe it's because they are still learners. If you are still a learner, maybe you're playing in the key of F or E, we made sure that we've covered everything. For instance, let's go to Chord and Scales interactive guide, and I'm going to show you how this works. So for every interactive guide that we've covered for every key, we made sure that there is a guide that you can download, because to access our website, the only thing that you need, you just need an internet, your mobile phone or a laptop. You don't need to pay anything. Our website is free. It's not subscription based. We made this to be free and make sure that it's accessible to everyone, because we want to make sure that everyone gets this information. So the more we continue to build this platform, we're going to make sure that we make this accessible to you so that it's easier to learn. So let me demonstrate this in the key of E, right? So what we've done with our interactive guide, as I explained, first thing first, you have an option to download the ebook. Once you download it, it's in a PDF, and basically it just shows with screenshots. It's not only content. This is not some kind of like an essay, right? We are showing you in graphics. We are breaking down all the scales, right, with screenshots. So once you downloaded that, that's what you're gonna see. A cool thing that you're gonna find as well, this is what we have done, and we continue to build on this as well. So what we've done is that under the key of E, you will see that if you click here on select the chord, which for this page is only E, we have like your E major, right? And then we've also included the inversions. You have the first inversion, the second inversion. So what this does, as I explained, this is an interactive guide, right? Whenever you come here, for instance, let me just say maybe go with an E major scales, right? It's gonna, you see here, it's gonna show you all the E major scales, right? It's just gonna be an E and F, so all of them, right? Some pages, if you click here on play, they will bring the sound. Some they won't, because like I said, we continue to build on this, make sure that we continue to upgrade this for you. And we've also included the content here that's gonna help you to show you how you can better use these interactive guides. But most importantly, what we want to achieve, right, as you continue to build on this, is that when you want to learn to play the first inversion or the second inversion of each chord, and more than that, even we've included also the sus chords, right, the suspended chords. We've included the E sus2, we've included also the E major 7th chord. So we make sure that we've included all the information, or let me not say all, but as much information as as possible for every key, to make sure that we do not leave anything outside, because we want to make it easier for you to learn piano, and that is our goal. Hence, you might find some of the things that might be missing here. If you see that something is missing here, please do let us know, and we'll make sure that we include that as we continue to build on this website and making it the best for you and making it easier for you to learn, right? So let me demonstrate. You've already seen that the image here is very interactive and is very responsive. If you want to learn the first inversion here, it shows you as well. So some of the screenshots here, I've noticed that they might not be coloring the notes correctly, so that's something that we're still working on, right? You might find that some of the things, it's not going to be a lot, they might not be working actually correctly, but we are working on fixing that. Most of the stuff, they are working as they should. But if you do find anything, please do let us know. We always appreciate the feedback, and like I said, we always make sure that we continue to build on this. Let me take you through the last one, suspended chords. If you want to learn how to play suspended chord, you're gonna see here. So if maybe here you see that with this visual here, it's not showing correctly, this one here is always gonna tell you the right keys, right? And also here under here, you wanna select, if you wanna maybe learn the pentatonic scales, can always come here and click that, and you'll see here it is gonna move. And with right now we are in the key of E, you can do the same thing in all the keys that we've included here. Let's take the last one, F sharp. So with F sharp, you can do the same thing, download the ebook, and from here you can if you want to learn maybe natural minor scale, you can add that, and it's gonna show. If maybe you're like, okay, it's fine, I know how to play in the key of F sharp, but I think I still need to learn the first inversion in that key, you can do that. Maybe let's just say maybe you're like, okay, it's fine, I've heard someone speaking about the suspended 4, right? But I don't know how to play in it. You can just come here, and if you know the letters on piano, because we're using the letters here, then you'll be able to and if you don't know how to play in letters, we've also make sure that we included the visual here, which is very important, because there are some people that are still learning the music language. Some, you might have heard that this is F sharp, but you still struggle to point out where is F sharp on the key, right? And you're still getting there, right? Eventually we all get there. So hence we've included the visuals. We've also included the letters as well, for those that are very quick, or they already know their letters on piano. So that's something that we've built for you. Please make sure that you access this website. Go to pianolessons.co.za. From there you go under resources. We've included all the interactive guides covering every key, and from there you can just navigate to every key. And more than that, as a bonus, we've also included the 7-day fillable daily piano practice journal, right? This is something that you can use as well. It's a downloadable PDF. It's just gonna help you to make sure that you practice weekly or daily, and you meet those targets, and you continue to plan, practice, and progress. So you continue to practice, and do not stop. You never stop learning. And hence, even on our resources on our website, we're gonna continue to add more content, share it with you, and make sure that we all get better as pianists, right? So I hope this is gonna be something that is gonna add value in your learning as a pianist, as a keyboard player, as a a music producer, or an arranger, or whatever. But I hope this resources is gonna be something that is gonna add value in your playing, and I hope you're gonna find this useful. Let us know what you think about this. Give us some suggestions. We appreciate the feedback, but I hope this is gonna help you. Thank you for watching.